So guys, I'm gonna make a drawing. Scary drawing.
How do you feel? Please don't. Okay?
What's up, bro? Bruh. She's smiling!
I'm so...
Bruh. Okay. Sorry guys. Just wait for, I don't know.
Are we cool? Are we cool?
No, scary.
What? I'm gonna show you how to...
Scary face.
Okay. First...
Wait. Wait for a sec, guys. Sorry guys, you have to wait. Sorry. I'm very sorry.
Okay?
Also guys, please sub and like.
Guys, also if you seen my other event, I said that I will, if I get 50 subs, I will be streaming. I'll be streaming, okay? And Tyler, if I get 5k, 5k, I'm gonna do a friend reveal. 10k, Tyler's secrets and where she lives, everything. And if you get 500k subs, then I will like our address. And if we get 1 mil, I will fight Tyler. Okay guys, we'll fight Tyler if we get 1 mil. And if we get 5 mil, I will fight another of my friend. I don't know, maybe I will be fighting some random dude.
What if you fight me now?
Nah, I will do it in like 1 million subs
Nah.
and 5 million. I will get the same.
Man!
But if you get 10
Just wait guys.
million subscribers,
So guys, I'm gonna show you.
I will be the first
Sorry
secret.
guys,
Everything.
it doesn't
Everything.
have a body
When
or a
we
feet or
were
a.
born,
I don't
everything.
know.
Everything.
Goodbye guys.
Everything.
Peace.